Life's an adventure, right? And we want our art supplies to keep up with us. So I've created the open and shut case with 3 separate printed pouches. Hey girl, hey, I see you. When I'm designing art supplies, I'm also thinking about how they're going to be used and where we're going to be keeping them, because that's such a big part of managing all of the different mixed media tools that we like to use. Well, let me just speak for myself, that I like to use. The double zips so that it's easier to open, and to have the kind of opening that's like a suitcase so it's easier to pack. So one side is a well and the other side is a flap, so that it opens on your table and it's easy to put things in. Each bag features artwork from my journals and using different elements from my new Making Faces collection. The zips are all fantastic qualities so that they'll last the distance and they're easy to open and close. It's fun, fresh, modern, but most importantly, it's easy for you to take on all of your art ventures. So what have I got in my bag? Let's have a look. I've got one of my new paper pads. The new I saw I contoured face charts. So this has got all of these different designs in here that you can create with. It has instructions on how to create with different skin tones. I've also got some of my new journal tattoos in here, so I can add false eyelashes if I want to, masks, tiaras. I think she would look nice with a little crown, right? So I can pop those in there as well. In this pouch, which has been sized specially and shaped specially so that it can fit the new palette pastels in here. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 of those in there. I'm going to pop them back in. I can also fit in my shimmering pastels as well. Pop that out. In this pouch, I've just squeezed in various things. So I've got my Matchmaker Paint set so that I can create any skin tone that I want to in my face charts or in my journal. I've got a couple of extra favorite colors that I've just popped in here as well. I've got one of my watercolor tins, and inside the watercolor tin I could actually put one of my little paintbrushes. So I've got that ready to rock and roll. I've actually put all of those in there just to show you. I probably wouldn't travel with a whole little packet of them, but you never know. I do really love them, I've got to say. Let's pop them out. And then I've also got some of my blend-in set. What else have we got in here? And in this one, it always sits here at the top. Well, because it's made to the width of this bag, I've got all of the smaller elements for the collection, but I've also got my nice big brush, which I use to dust away powders, but I can also use this as paintbrush or for whatever else I want. I've got I've got my other Murmalicious brushes, the other 3 sizes. I can use these for watercolor, crystal, acrylic, pastel, whatever I like. I've also got my Ultimate pens in here, which I adore, 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 adore. Aphrodisiac, Thriller Jacket, made in the suede, Daisy Dukes, who have I forgotten? Black Lace and Hot Vinyl. I think I may have forgotten one, but oh yes, Golden Age and Silver Screen are the 2 glitters with their little diamantes on. I'm going to pop them back over there. I've also got all of my drama sticks, all the different colours. I've got all those in there, and the pencil sharpener. I've also got, well, why would I not have 3 of those? Instead of 3 of those, maybe I could put in my pencil sharpener for the dramatics. Yes. So I don't need all of those, so I'll just pop them out. I've also managed to squeeze in some of my washi tape, which I love, and also it's so handy when you're traveling and you want to do a little bit of art on the fly. It's always great to have those. I've got one of the little pop sticks to apply my journal tattoos with, but instead of having 3 of those, I also could have put in some of these, so I could actually fit some of my velvet pastels in there as well quite easily. I could probably fit a few more in there. And yeah, there's actually plenty of room to spare. I'm looking forward to getting as much paint on mine as I can. That means I'm using them. That means I am creating. Actually, I will try and keep them clean. If you'd like to share some of the artwork that you create with my new collection with me, you're very welcome to come and join my Jane Davenport Mixed Media Facebook group.